Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's waterproof LED modern wall sconces. The product packaging includes a kit containing 2 mounting screws and a screwdriver set. An instruction manual. 1 product unit. First, remove the 2 mounting screws at both ends of the product base and set them aside safely. Next, remove the bottom cover of the product. Place the product cover where you intend to install the product, then mark and drill the holes. Install the 4 screw sets included in the accessory kit. Install the product's bottom cover along with the 4 mounting screws. It is included in the accessory kit. Connect the power cord at the bottom of the product to your power source. Place the lid on the product. Reinstall the 2 mounting screws at either end of the product's base that were removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.